Let's check it out. How to get to monetize on your YouTube channel. All you need to go to your YouTube studio and monetization. You get 1,000 subscribers, and all you need to have a minimum of 4,000 watch hours required for you to monetize your video and for you to earn some pennies, coins, USD dollar in your video channel. Make sure that your videos do not have the restriction. Okay, if you have, you got to check whether there is a restriction or not. Okay, and make sure all is in public. Okay, next, all you need to do is to check how to get this 4,000 watch hours. To get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. Okay, and let's check it out. How can I own to get 4,000 watch hours? Okay, according to YouTube, in order to eligible to apply the partner YPP program, you must meet the following requirement. You must have 4,000 watch hours for the past previous 12 months. You have more than 1,000 subscribers. Okay, let's check it out. Mathematically and practically to get 4,000 watch hours. Jom kita kira ya, macam mana nak dapatkan 4,000 jam tonton ya. Okay, let's check it out some about here. If your watch time has 4,000 watch in a year, what else you need? Pure views, 4,000 hours. Let's begin. Okay, to reach 240,000 minutes of watch time needed, you could make 240 videos at 10 minutes long, which each getting one view. This is impossible. Yeah, impossible. So you need to have 2,400 videos at 10 minutes long, which each get 10 views. This is also pretty unreasonable. So all you need is to have only 240 videos at 10 minutes long, with each getting 100 views per day. So now we are talking about this 240 video of okay, it won't easy hard, tak susah ya. Untuk dapatkan 4,000 jam tayang, anda perlukan 240 video berdurasi 10 minit panjang dengan target 100 view sehari untuk satu video. Okay, 240 video 10 minit panjang dapat 100 view, bermaksud setiap video perlu capai 1,000 watch time minutes. Okay, bersamaan dengan 16.5 jam. Okay, tips lebih ya. Untuk dapatkan video anda capai 1,000 jam tayang, okay, anda perlulah buat video 240 video dalam setahun. Satu video setiap satu hari ataupun 5 video dalam satu minggu berdurasi 10 minit. Dengan itu anda boleh capai 4,000 jam tayang. Okay, if you increase each video by 1 minute extra, then you'll have 365 videos, each at 11 minutes long. All you need to have 60 views instead of 100 views initial. Okay, watch time hours ya. Okay, inilah dia punya chart ya. 240,000. Okay, 1 hingga 5 minit panjang video. Once you get 20 minutes range of content, with tons of channel already within your line, you start only to have get 30 minutes long. Live stream this past year getting I have kalau nak buat video pun boleh buat live stream lah. Live stream to make more video. Dah kena believe in yourself. Okay, itulah antara video-video cara-cara nak dapatkan 4,000 jam tayang. Okay, inilah antara video-video. Anda boleh pergi ke statistik anda. Okay, video statistik, analitik analitik video. Dan anda boleh dapat audience engagement, revenue, berapa jumlah yang anda dapat dalam 28 hari. Okay, anda punya audience, berapa ramai. Okay, statistik, subscriber, unique viewer dan berapa lama anda dapat klik. Okay, unique viewer. So, selamat mencuba and all the best. Subscribe to my channel EatLah.com ya. EatLah.com. Okay, penggemar makanan boleh pergilah ke kita punya channel YouTube and subscribe to EatLah.com. Di mana macam-macam lah resepi yang kita buat. Okay, resepi makan-makan.